When you realize that no relationship, that no money, that no kids, that like there's literally nothing that can make you happy. That happy is an internal, full frontal contact with your dark night of the soul, and you reconcile that you gotta make happy in here. You got to make happy in here with none of that stuff.
Damn.
You got to take happy to the people you love. You can't try to get it from them. You know, and it's like you got to take happy to work. You're not going to get happy from work, right? And it's like that is, you know, it's not for the faint of heart.
Yeah.